So in today's video, guys, I have some Happy Mail. I have a saving challenges that I ordered along with some stickers. So let's get into this Happy Mail that I got. Hi, bestie. Welcome to my page. I have Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and open up what I got. Hopefully all is well with you. If you're new to my page, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here today with me. My name is Karen. Just in case if you're not sure, you can call me Miss Frugal or Karen. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So glad that you are here with me today. So my first order is from Miss Budgeting. When I was on Etsy and I was looking for some tax saving challenges, something different. Of course, I already have different kind of challenges, but I wanted to try something new, and I found this scratch off. It's like a 4-in-1. So this is the challenge here. As you can see right here is taxes. I will be having an upcoming tax bill, and that's why I got the challenge. And then it's unique because I don't have a 4-in-1. And I said, you know what, this would be cool to try. And I do love scratch offs. And it looks like she included so many other things with my order. And I absolutely love the Ziploc. I love this so much. All right. So I have a heart paper clip. Definitely can use that. I have some stickers. Some more stickers, and I'm definitely going to use these and place them in my planner. I got a IOU. Love the IOU. Definitely need another one of those. This is a mini roll and save. I love roll and save challenges. And I'm loving the fact that I have all these mini scratch off challenges. And I can't wait to add these to one of my binders. I just have to decide on which one I should add the scratch offs to. But I will leave the contact information, the Etsy shop information in the description. Make sure you go out and support her shop. And now let's go ahead and get to my last package. This is from Planner Aesthetic. This is a shop that I do PR for. So if you ever purchase anything from her, use code Karen10. You'll save 10% off on your order. That's the one when you see I have the budget stickers that says hot girl, and I can't talk right now because I'm budgeting, saving, and investing. That's a freebie from Planner Aesthetic. And then recently on one of my paycheck budgets on my expense tracker, I did have a sticker on there saying that I'm spending money like I'm selling drugs or something like that. That's where I got it from, this shop right here. So she does have a monthly subscription, and I've been getting her monthly subscription since she started selling them. I don't even remember when she started selling, but it was years ago. And it's just the monthly subscription is just stickers to place on like on your monthly. And so she did send the July stickers, and this is the July stickers, and this right here is a part of her subscription. And it runs, I think it's between $6 to $7. And I use these on my monthly. You don't have to use them on your monthly, but that's typically what I do. And let's get into what I ordered. And she does end up including free samplers with your orders. But you can actually pick which sampler that you want. If you go to her website, you will see it's a whole list of stickers that you can pick for a sampler. Okay, so this is the June 10th sticker. This is a sampler. This is a freebie here. So I definitely need to go ahead and add that to my planner. Freedom. Here's another June 10th freebie. And this sampler here is the budget one that I absolutely love. Okay, and I got some goggles and grind stickers. And then I'd end up getting these icon stickers because I do love the small icon stickers that I can just place in my planner. She has a variety that's available in the shop. But these are the ones that I picked this time. And see, I love these compact stickers like this. It sounds like a business card that you can easily place in your planner, and it's not bulky. So I do love these sizes like this. Because you can just place it in the pocket of your planner. Okay, and so I was thinking about adding like the greenery stickers to my budget planner. And this is your sexy time sticker here. And then I decided to get a couple of these planner stickers. So mostly these stickers go into my regular planner, not my budget planner. And I got this. Got a few more stickers that I got. But make sure you check her out if you're a planner girl, you like stickers. And they are reasonably priced. And when she's not having a sale, feel free to use my code. These are some custom stickers that I got here, and I got all of Cowboy Carter songs on here when I do my memory planning from the Cowboy Carter concert tour. And I got this sticky note, no spin sticky notes. I will leave both shops' information in the description. And thank you so much for taking time out your busy schedule. Have an awesome day, guys. Toodles.